Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to my channel Nruthyamrutha. I'm Amrutha Sankar. If you're new to my channel, please check down the description box below to find the previous videos links as well as the social media links. If you're new and are not aware of what this channel is about, you should definitely check the previous videos and come back to this video if you're really interested in learning Kuchipudi online. And if you're interested to do the online classes, you will find the number where you have to contact for the online classes in the description box below. So don't forget, click on the link which is provided and let me know where I can help you with. So today we are going to see the step which we have already seen. The legs are similar, the hands changes. So I'll link the step in the description box below as well. Go check that down as well. So now let's see the legs which we have already seen if you are seeing the videos from the starting. The legs of this step, we go in V-shape bending position and we jump, raise our right leg by hitting the left leg and jump and hit the right leg and hit the left leg. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're wondering where I'm keeping the leg for the support, it's between a knee bend. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's see the hands. For the hands of this step, we put our hands in Pataka Hasta, stretching our right hand, and 1, 2, 3, 4. We did it once when we showed for the legs, but you can do it 2 times a side, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 is when we jump, the hands are straight, and 2, we slide them and we slightly twist our body as well when the right leg is up on the left leg. When we hit the left and raise the right leg, we do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we see the whole step, you will understand it better. So for the whole step, we go into bending position, V shape, and stretch our hands properly, and we do as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we did the legs, we did it only once, so I'll show that as well as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's not a different step which I'm showing now, it's a similar step, but when I showed the legs, I did only for 1 time. That is 1, 2, then I changed the leg to 3 and 4. You can do it that way, or you can do the same leg twice. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For which the hands is similar, and we go as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope you guys understood today's step. If there is any confusion, please let me know in the comment section. So that's it, guys. We'll see you with the next tutorial video or a performance video.